Hello, and I hope you're doing well. On this video we're going to take a look at this blogger kit, and this is from Sony, and this is what it looks like right here, and you can pair it with your Sony camera. And I like that it has different things where you can wirelessly control your camera, zoom, capture, and record functions. It does have a C1 button on the grip, and it also has a C1 custom button function. It's fully enclosed, cable-free grip design, keeps dust and moisture out. And the model number is ACCVC1. And here in the back it is compatible with different cameras. Let's open this. And here is a pairing guide. And it uses Bluetooth. So if you ever have linked something with Bluetooth, I'm pretty sure it's about the same thing. It says to unlock it before you start, and then it gives you step by step on how to use it. Of course, if you want to scan the QR code, you can go ahead and do that, and it gives you the manual, or visit the website on the bottom. So let's put this away, and let's go inside the box. And inside this box there's this box, and here's the memory card. And as you can see, it does come with a 64 gigabyte memory card, and there's the type SDXC UHS-II, and it gives you more information about the specs and how fast it is. And you want something fast when you're recording video, so this is perfect. And then you have the grip, which is part number GPVP T2BT. So now let's open this up. It comes with instructions as well as your pouch in the bag. So I like the pouch that it comes with. And here's the pouch. And you can close it from here. And you have the instructions on how to use it, and it comes in different languages. It does have the shooting grip with wireless remote commander, and here is information on the parts, battery, how to put the battery under, how to mount it onto your camera, and how to use it. And if you have any questions about the manual, you could always find it here. And how to use it, you can find it here. So it's easier to use their website on how to use it. And here it is. It has a very nice color. It feels nice and comfortable. So you could always use it like this. And you have the controls here. If you are left-handed, you could also use it here. And you could also use this as a tripod, like that. It comes with the battery too, which is right here. Now if you want to go ahead and tilt this any other way, first you have to make this loose and then press here, and then you can move it around. Of course, if you want to go ahead and do the vlogging and you want to have the camera facing you, just find the right spot where you want the camera to be and go ahead and lock it into place. Now if you want to go ahead and move the camera around, you can go ahead and press the here and turn the camera to the other side, or perhaps here on an angle. And this is going to be together with the CV1F, which is right here. So let's put this on and go ahead and make this tight. once you have it into place, then go ahead, you can hold the camera this way. Perhaps you want to put it facing away from you if you're recording something else. And it is pretty cool where you can go ahead and hit record, take a picture. You can lock this, unlock it. That's why you have the C1 here, and then you can go ahead up and down on this button here. Let's go ahead and put the battery on it first. You have to use 2 fingers. One of them is to pull this lever out, and this one, the second one, down. So pull away, down, and the whole thing comes out. Once you get the battery out of the bag, go ahead and place it this way in here, and then replace this, and that's it. So now that this is on, let's go into our camera and let's go to the menu. Here's the menu. Let's go to settings and choose here Bluetooth, and then pairing, and now it's gonna go ahead and try to pair. So now we gotta go to the tripod, and let's unlock it first, and then we're gonna hold the photo and the T at the same time for more than 7 seconds. So let's look at the camera, and then I'm holding these two for more than 7 seconds. Now it's giving me this where it says allow pairing to the GPVT. Oops, took too long, so let's try it again. And now let's hit OK. And now it's paired. Now another thing that you have to make sure of is go up here where it says transfer and remote, and he's asking for 2 things: PC remote function or Bluetooth remote control. If this is off, it's not gonna work. You have to turn this into on. Use paired devices, and now you can get out. Now if you hold the photo button and press it hard, it takes a picture. If you want to record, stop recording. This one has a digital zoom, so if you want to zoom, if you want to get out, and the C1, you can use the C1 for whatever function you want it to be. In this case, I have the defocus function on, so if I press the C1, let's see if you can see the difference. If I press the C1, it makes everything blurry in the back. If I press it off, everything is clear. So, but you can change the C1 to whatever you want on your camera. And like I'm doing it right now, you can use this somewhere where you can take the picture with this, or you can go ahead and put this on, and you can either go ahead and pick it up, take pictures this way. You could always go ahead and turn the camera around. You can go ahead and take a picture of yourself, or if you want to record, you have the light here that shows that you are actually recording yourself, which is kind of cool. And you also have the LED light here. If you want to stop, go ahead, take a picture. And if you go ahead and lock, you can go ahead and lock this. unlock it, and it's easy to grab it like this. You can walk around. It's not the same thing as having a gimbal because it still bounces around, so just keep that in mind. But it's pretty cool to have this handy to either walk around with it, perhaps if you're filming somebody else, do the same this way. And if you could also use it like so. So I think this is pretty useful for different reasons, and you could also use it as a remote if you want. You could also use the phone as a remote for your camera, but if you are carrying this with you, you can use this. Doesn't have to be together to use it. So that's pretty cool. I like the way it works. So now if you want to put it all together, so now you have your mic, your camera, tripod. You can turn this around if you want to go ahead and use it horizontal, you can do so. If not, you could always also use it, let's see, this way, turn it to the side, and then like that, or perhaps the other way. It's really up to you. So if you want to turn it that way, you can go ahead and do it this way as well. And it's pretty cool that you have different stops. And since it's a plug-in kit, then you have the microphone facing you, camera facing you. You have the controls here, so you don't even have to look behind the camera. You can go ahead and record, take pictures, zoom in, zoom out, defocus, lock and unlock, and see everything on the screen. So I hope this video helps you in any way. Thank you for watching and enjoy.